In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get date and time on Wallpaper Engine. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this on the desktop application, but this also applies for the mobile app. If you are doing this on your computer, first of all, open up Steam and hover over the Community tab. In here, at the top right corner of the screen, look for Wallpaper Engine and access the Workshop page by clicking Workshop at the top. In here, on the Wallpaper Engine Workshop, you can look for something like Clock and see if any of these satisfy you. As you can see, there are a lot of designs that you can pick from, and they will automatically update and tell the time accordingly. You can also look for different stuff like date and time or anything along those lines. As you can see, all of them, or most of them, will have a clock attached, and you can simply select from any of these. As soon as you select one, all you have to do is open up its Start page and click the subscribe button over here. It will start downloading and you are going to get this message. Next time you open up Wallpaper Engine, you will have the option to select this wallpaper from within the options. You can subscribe to as many as you want, and all of them will be available inside of the Wallpaper Engine desktop app. I hope I was able to help you on how to get date and time in Wallpaper Engines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.